What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video, and today's cocktail is a Kamikaze, because it's a popular one back in the day, from the mid-1950s, it might be a little bit before. Along with the Kamikaze Cocktail, I will be doing the famous Kamikaze Shots as well, so I will show you how to do that. Because it was made popular in the 1970s and 80s, and it's never really looked back, because it was created on the American Naval base just after World War II in Japan. So let's make this famous drink. So first of all, what we're going to make is the Kamikaze Cocktail. So get your shaker, put some ice, which we've done, 4 to 5 ice cubes. And the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Grey Goose vodka. For a drink as famous as the Kamikaze, it deserves a good vodka, especially since the vodka heydays in the 70s and 80s. Right, next up, 1 ounce of triple sec. As you can see, we're using Cointreau. And last but not least, 30ml or 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Right, so put your lid on. Now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. Now straight into your Martini glass. And the final thing you want to do now is garnish it with a lime wedge. And there we go, guys, one Kamikaze cocktail. How does it taste? It tastes absolutely fantastic. But now I can't wait to try it as a shot. Right, now to make the Kamikaze Shot or shooter, because it's a very fun drink this. So get your cocktail shaker and put some ice. Again, 4 to 5 ice cubes. The first ingredient to go in, guys, is 2 ounces or 60ml of vodka. Again, we're using Grey Goose. Next up is 3¼ ounce or 22.5ml of triple sec. We're using Cointreau. Last but not least, it's 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. So put your lid on, give it a bang. Now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get it nice and chilled. So give it a bang to separate. There we go. Put your strainer on and now double strain it into your shot glasses. And there we go, the Kamikaze drink or Kamikaze Shot or shooter. Can't wait to try these, it's a very famous drink this. Now if you enjoyed my lemon drop video, you'll like this as well. It's very similar, because especially Cosmo lovers or the lemon drop lover will love the Kamikaze drink on cocktail as well, they'll love it. So I would recommend it. So for the Kamikaze Shot now, we'll go down on both. So as I'll give my thoughts on it. Cheers. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Especially if you love your lime and lemons as well, it gives it that nice bit of taste, the backbone of this drink and shot. This is absolutely beautiful and I would recommend it. So I'll go kick to it. But just to freshen up, I will have this cocktail again as I'll give you a proper taste, as I will give you a proper taste note for it. quite tarty, but I do like it because I like the lemon drop. I do like the fresh lime juice. What gives it that? One thing I like about this cocktail is I'm glad I used a Grey Goose, a quality vodka for such a cocktail and drink. It deserves it. You can taste it. It's very, very similar to Cosmo. You can see the difference with the cranberry juice and the fresh lime juice or lemon juice for a lemon drop. That's only things that change between the three. But that, guys, it's the Kamikaze Cocktail and the Kamikaze Drink or Shots or Shooters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It. If you wish to see more cocktails like this, do let me know in the comments below. Any cocktail recommendations or drinks or shots, because I do them all. If there's anyone you want to see in this channel, just let me know. But that is the Kamikaze Cocktail, the Kamikaze Shot, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.